big hello and a warm welcome back, honey buns. Hope you all are safe and well, especially after that freak show of a weekend from 3 generations of the Bachchan family hit by coronavirus to Anupam Kher announcing that his family also contracted the virus. Sushant Singh Rajput's sister placing her trust in God and justice. Here are all the top headlines of the day. Unless you've all been spaced out or living under a rock these past days, you would have heard that Amitabh Bachchan, Abhishek and Aishwarya and even little Miss Aradhya have tested positive for COVID-19. The Bollywood megastar and his son were admitted to a city hospital with mild symptoms, while word later came in that Ash and Aradhya would be quarantining at home. We also heard that Jaya, who tested negative, is closely being monitored for any symptoms. Making sure to reciprocate the love coming his way, Big B sent out a note of gratitude saying, "I put my hands together and say thank you for your eternal love and affection." We got word in from the docs who assured all that senior and junior Bachchan are stable and they do not require aggressive treatment and they are being treated with supportive therapy. Well, that's a relief, isn't it? After getting diagnosed for COVID, Abhishek did his duty to inform those who came in close proximity with the family to get tested. Amit Saad, who was dubbing for a project with Junior Bachchan, told our bees that although he didn't ever come in contact with Abhishek, he took the test as a precaution. After a nail-biting 24 hours, he was happy to share this morning, "This is the only time I say happily I am negative." Relieved with his test results, he made sure to send out his best wishes and prayers to all those battling the virus. In some more shocking news from B-Town, actor Anupam Kher shared that his mother Dulari, brother Raju Kher, sister-in-law Reema and niece Vrinda tested positive for coronavirus. Thanking fans for their concern, he later shared that his mother was shifted to the isolation ward, while his brother and the family were being treated for their mild symptoms. Could 2020 get any more worse for our beloved B-Town stars? As we near 1 month since Sushant Singh Rajput's demise, the actor's sister Shweta took to her handle to thank fans for their continued support and the love they've been showing the family. Overwhelmed with gratitude, Shweta thanked all her brother's fans and friends and signed off saying, "Let's have faith on God and His justice. Keep praying." Is it just us or were those some very, very interesting choice of words? And finally, we're keeping the sweeter, gooey, sugar-coated bites for last. Priyanka Chopra may have won the award for Best Daughter-in-Law ever when she sent out a beautiful message of love to her Mama J on her birthday. Sharing a cute selfie, she penned a note that read, "Happy birthday, Mama J. Thank you for your constant grace and generosity. I am so glad you are here and we can celebrate you today together. Love you so much." While we head on over to help Mama J pop the bubblies, Bolly V will be back tomorrow, same time, same place to bring you all the juicy deeds just the way you like it. Till then, bye-bye.